So one of the many special things that I offer is one-on-one coaching, something I'm very passionate about, and it really helps learners accelerate their growth. And I wanted to take this kind of special moment to kind of show you what goes on behind the scenes here. I had a learner, they're in college, they're going through a computer science course, and I'm always telling my learners, the people that I coach, is, hey, push your stuff up to GitHub. That way I can go ahead and download it, I can clone it, and I can bring it down to my own computer and run it through some tests and kind of debug. And it really makes the sessions go a lot quicker, especially if I have the material beforehand. In this particular moment, the learner, they asked in one of the sessions, hey, how do I get their homework assignment and bring it down to my computer and get it running? And so I went ahead and made this really short clip of one of our hour-long sessions that we did. And it's not going to take an hour, but it was just at the beginning. All right. Just wanted to preface it with that. And if you are interested, take a look in the description. You'll see a link there where you can go ahead and schedule your own one-on-one coaching session if that's what you would like to do. All right. So anyways, let's go ahead and dive into what we talked about on how we can clone a project.
Yeah, so the way that I do it here is I go over to your GitHub that you gave me, and then I go over here to the code button, and then I come down here, copy to clipboard, and then I can come in here and I just open up a new terminal. So I come over here and I just do git clone, and then I paste in that URL that it gave me. And then you'll see a new folder appear in here where it's this one right here, which should have all of your stuff. And then the one thing that mine is missing that yours has is the node modules. And I need those in order for this to work. So I'll just do an npm I for installing. And then I get my node modules available to me. And then I should be able to take a look at your package.json and see what I need to do in order to run this. And so it looks like I just have to do npm run dev, and hopefully it compiles with no errors. And then we'll take a look at your program here. And so you're pulling data. That's good. And then if you click on this, we should get the comments. Okay.
I thought it was really neat and interesting. And this also kind of gives you a sneak peek on what we actually do, or what I actually do here as a coach, to kind of help get you in the right mindset and you learning way quicker than you would through traditional means.